In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Reaper, the SWS, and the VLC extensions. So let's get started. To install Reaper, first go to the Reaper website. Then go to the Reaper download or the download Reaper. And you go down and you choose which one you want. I will choose the 64-bit. When I'm downloading that, I will click on it and it'll download. Then consider purchasing a license for this. You can use it for free, but I strongly encourage you to buy it at $60 for non-commercial purposes. So please consider that. As it's downloading, we're going to go get our next download. We're going to get our SWS extension. And so it's right here. And then you're going to go on down and you're going to choose the appropriate one. For me, it's going to be the download for Windows for 64-bit. So I'm going to download that. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to download. And the next extension I want you to get is VLC. And you're going to come here and I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to Windows 64-bit. And I'm going to click on that and download it. After you've downloaded those, you're going to go in and you're going to double click on it, find it in the downloads. Click on it. Okay, and you're going to say run. And you're going to agree. You can look through this and see if you agree. Okay, and where do you want to go? And then I hit install. And it runs. I do not want to run it right now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the SWS for Windows. Double click on it. Run. You're going to agree. You're going to have it go into Programs file. And I'm going to hit install and it's going to run. And then I'm going to close. That's simple. Then you go to VLC. Double click, run, going to hit next. Okay, we're going to hit next, and install it. Once you have those three programs installed, go to Reaper, open it. Okay, yours might not be set up quite like this. This is because I use Reaper all the time. It has a setup. But the first thing you're going to do is see if the SWS is installed. So you're going to Extensions, and you're going to see right here about SWS extensions. If that's there, then it's installed. And we're going to be using these later on. The next thing you want to do is go to Options, and go all the way down to the bottom, Preferences. Or it's Control P. And then you're going to go all the way down to Media, Video. Click on that and you're going to show decoder information. When you go down there, you should see VLC somewhere. You have that, it's installed, and you should be able to see in this line here VLC at some place. I have a bunch of other decoders. And so if you have that, you're all set up and you're ready to go. And you apply it. You click OK, and you're good.